Okay, let's go to the RET operation next.
水平操作。
We can adjust the brightness here. The first is to use the RET function. Adjust the energy at around 35%, then adjust up and down.
调整。
Then set the working
这是
mode.
我们的一个工作选项。
Here we choose to continue.
这个持续。
Because of our next operation
一个
is a dynamic operation. Frequency we choose the 500 key frequency. Remember to choose the handle of RET. If the customer needs to combine the current of high tense,
ITENS 的电流操作
operation can also choose this function,
这个功能
operate.
操作的。
Then select the dynamic frequency. This energy can be appropriately adjusted at about 10%. Frequency it will according to this frequency.
进行
Dynamic to alternate use.
交替使用。
That's the frequency I just showed you. It will use this dynamic to switch itself for treatment. Okay, after choosing dual function, we set the clinical time here, also about 15 minutes. Then start the operation. Okay, now we're going to manipulate the handle. One RET, one dynamic negative handle. The probe used is 40 mm.
40 mm 的
According to the customer's face shape, just adjust this size. Okay, connect one plug red. One plugs in red and the other plugs in yellow. And the way we do it, use circle. And the lifting method. The area we are operating in now, this size fits the chin better. Then there's the neck, the cheeks. These areas of the forehead. We can choose 20 or 30 heads to operate. If the customer feels hot during the process, it's just warm. Then we can increase the intensity. What is being operated now is the RET handle. This operation is mainly to promote blood microcirculation and metabolism for the effect of slimming the face. Okay, what we're going to do next is the CET handle. That it is also matched with the dynamic negative electrode. The dynamic negative electrode is also connected to the yellow interface. Then the CET is plugged into the blue port. Interface adjustment. We use the CET function.
CD 功能。
Then turn on the heat. CET is also around 35%. Then make up and down left adjustments. Continuous hard work. 500 key frequency operation. Then set the clinical time here. Make sure it's set up here. We can just start it directly. The operation method of CET and RET handles is the same, except one of them is shallow. One is deep manipulation. The operation of this part of the forehead. We could just use a smaller operator. Smaller diameter operating head. the operation will be more appropriate. We operate the whole handle.
手柄操作，
All need to be matched with soothing cream.
舒缓膏，
Or use some skincare products.